Hey, it's Jay, and today I've been working on another project, so I apologize for being a little sweaty, but this is the final one of the day. What I'm gonna be doing is repainting the cement floor on my front lanai. This is the product I'm gonna be using. I got it from Home Depot. It's a porch and patio floor paint. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna cut in with a brush and we're gonna paint the entire perimeter, and then we're gonna take a roller and just roll the whole thing. It's super simple, but what it does is it gives you a really nice look on your front patio, and it also just maintains the cement and keeps it looking good. This thing should take me about 20 minutes to do, the whole thing. And then we'll be done. I'm just gonna let it dry overnight and we should be good to go tomorrow. We're just gonna load up. I'm gonna coat this on pretty thick. I'm using like a nice 3-inch brush that just covers a lot of area. It holds a ton of paint, so it just makes it really easy to get the trim. And then I can just slowly kind of lead up to the edge. So I'm not going to be using any tape today. It's just about twilight now, and the last thing we have to do, I've done the entire trim of the porch, and the last thing I have to do is just roll it. I also realized when I went in my garage that I've run out of painting pans, so I'm gonna ad lib. I'm gonna pour the paint directly on the patio. If you have a painting pan, please use it, but in my case, I'm just gonna ad lib, and that's kind of half the DIY fun, is ad-libbing. So I'll pour a little bit on at a time and then just roll it in and keep working my way out until we get the whole thing covered. It's the next morning, we let everything dry overnight, and it's looking pretty good. The only problem is that I finished the job in the dark, so I couldn't see all the fine details last night, so I'm going back today. I did miss a couple of spots, and I'm just gonna touch them up. I'm gonna use the same brush I did last night. I washed it out, it dried through the night. We'll just finish the job up, it's almost done.